How to create multiple accounts on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose. In today's video, I'll show you how to create multiple Facebook accounts while staying compliant with Facebook policies. While it's important to note that Facebook discourages creating more than one personal account, there are ways to manage multiple accounts for different purposes, such as personal and business use. Simply first, open Facebook app. Tap three line icon on the top right corner. Scroll down to bottom and tap Logout. Tap Not Now to not save your login info. Now tap Logout. Now tap Login to another account. Once you're on this section, enter mobile number or email and the password, and then tap on the login button, and you have to verify your email or phone number and set up the profile. Other way is, if you don't have multiple accounts, simply you can tap create new account button at bottom of the screen. Enter get started and enter all the credentials like your first name and last name, date of birth, password, mobile number, and set up your profile, and then you can easily sign up or sign in to your new Facebook account. So that is how you can easily create multiple accounts on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.